This video is sponsored by Surfshark, but more on that later. We are 5 days into this project and still not anywhere close to finishing. After a bit of a rough start,
right on cue.
We finally got into a groove and started enjoying the build together for the first time in a while.
Sad face.
Oh, I don't want to be stuck on the sill.
Well, that was until the mistakes and stress started taking over again.
And then it cracked the board that it was going into. Basically everything happens at once.
So join us today as we call on some new help.
We're gonna drive down the street and the ceiling's just gonna collapse.
And continue to push through the setbacks.
Y'all didn't want to believe me. Y'all said keep going.
All while wondering in the back of our minds, is this even worth it? Building a bus into a home on its own is already challenging. And then you add in a family while also trying to share your story, creating these videos, and that quickly becomes a recipe for burnout. But sometimes you just need to step back and ask for help.
We were having a lot of problems with the kids needing us, so we called in reinforcements, and a good friend of ours is here helping us out.
But we quickly learned, even with help, that doesn't mean frustration and mistakes won't happen.
Today's not the day. Y'all didn't want to believe me. Y'all said keep going.
Put the glue on the wrong side.
Just make more mistakes.
But pushing through is necessary for progress. And on day 5, although we weren't finished, we were still further ahead than when we started.
We did get these lights here. So that one's done, and this one's done. We have our first piece that is actually going front to back, which is pretty cool. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. So see you in the morning.
So the last week has been a little bit hectic and slow, but with the help of some friends, today we should be finishing up the rest of the ceiling.
So as you can see, we have this section of the ceiling done right here. Then we still have to do the other side. The goal is to get as many of the big boards up as possible that I can have help with. I can't really hold them and shoot a nail into them. Okay, so the formula has been to obviously get your cut, measure twice, cut once, and then we're going with our pencil, just marking our location for where we're gonna place the glue and start to nail it. And we don't trust him with the gun, so I'm gonna hold on to this.
Having the formula down and an extra set of hands to sort through the boards took off some of the pressure from myself and allowed us to get further ahead.
So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 fresh new packs. We were trying to not use these until we absolutely had to. 'Cause these are like, each 6-pack is $27, so it adds up quickly. I think we've spent close to like $400 on all of it.
And it was exciting to see the ceiling come together because it started to make the space feel more like a home.
All right, so we have one of the last pieces that is gonna go over here, I think. We're gonna try to do another row, but there's no promises that's gonna work. There's no promises any of this is gonna work. We're gonna drive down the street and the ceiling's just gonna collapse.
And as day 6 comes to an end, the support of our friends to help us get ahead left us feeling extremely grateful.
Okay, and with dinner done, now we made a nice little fire. The weather's actually pleasant enough too, and we're gonna have s'mores. All right, bye guys. Thank you for your help. Now that the kids are asleep, we can unwind and enjoy our favorite TV show. Sadly, it's not available on Netflix in the US. Luckily, the sponsor of today's video, Surfshark, has us covered. Surfshark is a virtual private network, or VPN, that keeps our information safe by encrypting our data and changing the location of our device. This allows us to switch our IP address with one of the UK and indulge in a few episodes of The Office with a side of ice cream. But beyond just entertainment, we've been seriously considering how we'll protect our digital information and social media accounts when we hit the road. A VPN is an absolute must-have for cybersecurity, particularly when accessing public Wi-Fi at places like airports, hotels, and stores, where hackers often target unsuspecting users. Surfshark lets us protect all of our devices with just one account, including our phones and our laptop. And right now, if you use the link in the description below, Surfshark is offering you 83% off and 3 extra months for free when you use our code US++. Plus, with Surfshark's 30-day money-back guarantee, there's really no reason not to try it.
Unless you're a hacker.
After over 2 weeks of working on the ceiling project, we're finally coming to the end of it, and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. We've been trying to get these last couple boards in today, but I can't help because Joey's just going up and down the stairs like over and over and over again. The only way to get Joey to sit still is to give him his cup of Cheerios. I'm trying to talk. His cup of Cheerios. That's the only way to get him to sit remotely still. Is this the last cabinet? Oh. What'd you do?
It destroyed the lip on the other one, but it's okay.
I think it's the inside of the cabinet.
Yeah, we'll ride with it.
No one will see it except us. I actually have a moment to be on the bus for once this week because my wonderful mother is visiting us and she's got the kids, so I get to witness the finishing of the panels back here, and it's really nice to actually be a part of it.
Is this where we're supposed to high five and kiss?
Actually, I was just thinking. Good job.
It's been a roller coaster of emotions this week, but one thing that stood out is the support of our true friends. And having friends you can count on in times of need reminds you that we are never truly alone. And as I look back over the past nearly 2 years of building this bus, it's been our friends and family who have been there when we needed them the most. And even though we are so close to finishing, it's not the destination that matters, it's the journey that gets you there. And if you want to be protected on that journey, make sure you check out Surfshark, link in the description. Okay, bye!